there are good debts and bad debts. Good debt is when you borrow to get yourself an asset or an investment. But a bad debt is something that you borrow to enjoy something you cannot afford. So let's say, may utang ka dahil bumili ka ng bahay, so may mortgage loan. Umutang ka dahil you invested in a stock, portfolio program. Sa SSS, may ganyan. Yung mga ganyang investment, okay yan. Yung mga ganyang utang, okay yan. Pero yung sabihin mo, umutang ka dahil bumiyahe ka, umutang ka to buy an appliance, umutang ka to buy something that depreciates in value, may issue ako dyan. Dapat bayaran mo na yan. For me, you have to eliminate bad debt before you even invest. Wala kang karapatang mag-invest kung marami kang bad debts. Bakit? Kasi yung bad debt, may interest yan eh. Sureball yan. Babayaran mo yan. Samantalang yung investment, syempre alam naman natin yung ating experience, it can be volatile, investments can go up and down, and for as long as our runway is long, we're okay. Pero yung utang, surefire eh. It goes against you. So kailangan i-plug mo na yan, yung value depreciation mo because of your loans na merong interest na firm at kadalasan mataas. Eliminate muna natin yung debt. So sa Ramver, we tell people, let us eliminate debts. Then after eliminating debt, let us establish emergency funds para hindi ka naman namimiligro anytime something untoward happens. Then, after that emergency fund, we have the right to invest. Ganun yun. So para sa akin, eliminate muna natin yung debt, gawa natin ang proper mindset and culture para makapag-save continuously, then it can funnel into investments and growing money.